Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up employment and income docs for insurance underwriting with Stripe, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Begin by gathering all relevant employment and income documentation.
This includes your pay stubs, tax returns, and any additional proof of income.
Ensure that all documents are up to date and accurately reflect your current employment status.
Next, create digital copies of these documents. Use a scanner or a mobile app to capture clear images of each document.
Once you have scanned everything, save these files in a designated folder on your computer. Label each file clearly for easy identification later. Now, log into your Stripe account. If you don't have an account, visit the Stripe website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section of your dashboard. Look for the Business Settings tab, as this is where you will upload your documents.
Within the Business Settings, find the Documents section.
Select the option to upload new documents. Choose the files you have created from your folder.
It's best to upload them in the correct order as requested for the underwriting process.
After selecting the documents, verify that they are correct before finalizing the upload. Once everything is uploaded, monitor the status of your documents in Stripe. You may receive notifications regarding the review status.
If additional information is required, be prepared to provide it promptly.
Keep track of the email address linked to your Stripe account for any updates. Follow up if you don't receive a confirmation within a reasonable time frame.
After approval, ensure that you securely store both your physical and digital copies of these documents.
This will help keep your information safe for future reference.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.